In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT when your images get stuck on processing, throw an error, or just don't show up in the chat. There are a couple of things you need to check here. First, sometimes ChatGPT actually generates the image, but it doesn't display it in the chat. Instead, you get a processing error. If that happens, go to More in the top left corner, then click Images. You may find your image sitting in the My Images section. Give it a second to load, and you might see it appear right here. If it's not showing up there, then it's not a display problem. It's actually failing to generate in the first place. So here's what you do. Go to your name in the bottom left corner, then click Settings. From there, go to Personalization and scroll down until you see Memories. Click Manage. Now you can click the three dots next to any individual memory and delete it. Or if you don't need any memories saved at all, click the three dots in the top right corner and hit Delete All Memories. This basically resets your ChatGPT memory, and it can fix the image generation issue. If none of that works, the next thing I'd check is your internet connection. Make sure it's stable, it's not cutting in and out, and you're not connected to a VPN. If all of that checks out, try switching between the web app and the mobile app. That combination should get things working again.